Okay guys, this is my summary video on a dead trigger. Your trigger went flat and she doesn't run anymore. This is a Dyson V10. So look at my other two previous videos on the links below and you'll see a little more detail. But I got her running again, which is great, but you will be a little bit intimidated in the beginning about taking her apart. But what happens inside of this channel here is this little red trigger is made quite flimsy and it cracks. You'll see in the other videos where it splits, and then that makes it go flat and it doesn't return, and then your Dyson is dead. So what you're going to need is very small, very good Phillips head, tiny, small Phillips head. I'm not going to be able to remember which screws are which, but you'll figure it out. And you're going to need the tiny star head. Yeah, they made the little fiddly star head jobbers in here. Can't see if those are Phillips, as you can see, but there's little tiny star heads in here. Now it is a little fiddly and a little intimidating in the beginning, but don't be afraid of it. It actually comes apart pretty easily and goes back together pretty easily. And obviously I've got success and she works perfect. So you're going to be pulling your battery out. You're going to be pulling, take your bin off. You probably know the bin catch and all that. And then you're going to pull all your screws out. I actually had another body, which you'll see in another video, the other videos. And that's what I kind of partially swapped out. But the tricky part is inside this collar, there's a little fitting, and to get to those little star head screws, you kind of have to have a short wrench. So you'll see what I used. But I hope this helps. Again, it was successful. I'm happy about it. And I did have another body to swap some parts out with, luckily. But I did order another body from Dyson. Sometimes if you ask nicely, they'll give you another motor assembly, the whole thing. And if they don't give it to you, they actually give it to you pretty reasonably. I bought one for like $47 and change. It was discounted, including shipping. And I also then talked them into giving me another one. So they actually shipped me the wrong one. They gave me the long body, even though they knew my serial number. Anyway, in summary, go for it. Your little trigger splits. It's poorly made. It's probably got a few years life. It depends on how hard you pull on it. But hope that helps. I appreciate any likes and subscribes. And again, check out the other two videos below. I'm not an editing guy, unfortunately, so I have to just do multiple videos. Talk to you later. If you have any questions, give me a holler.